So guys, I'm trying to MISUSE. I'm gonna have MISUSE here. Well, it's a death for a reason. The red lights are there for a reason. God's sake. I have a feeling he was going to do it because the way he was acting, he was going to run. He's going to run for it. Can't you make videos into time lapses?
You can speed them up.
Just getting a good thumbnail, zooming into those lights. Yeah. It is a bit bad quality though, but hey. It's because it's wet. It's, my camera doesn't like it that much because of the contrasting light. It's because the train's quite badly delayed, so you don't ever know when they're coming.
Got a clue what's coming and when. No.
I just had my camera on the whole time.
Could go back to New Malden and see. Let's see if I can get something from Zebden. I'm gonna go see if I can get a horn, maybe. Be ready. Horn. Horn. 455 864. No, no horn. 455 864 to 717. 555 864 and 555 717 to London Waterloo. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.